Hi everyone, this is my entry to the Neospring Hackathon challenge number 6, where we needed to make an app which helps make donations to Ukrainian zoos. So this is what I've done. First of all, I need to log in, as always. So let's take this account as this still has some kind of funds left. So in this app, I made a basic set collection game, you could say. When you play the game, you will mint animals. We will do this in a moment. And when you have a specific set of animals, then you can get the payout, which is half of the game's treasury. And 20% of what you pay for the NFTs is automatically donated to a third account. So this is simply an account that I created and where all the funds are moved to when you mint your animals. So let's go to our collection. It's empty now, so we don't have any NFTs minted right now. You can mint up to 7 NFTs, whatever you want, and the set of animals that you need consists of 5 animals. So at least 5 you need, but overall it usually takes more. So you mint it, and one animal costs 1 near, so you need 7 near for 7 animals. And again, 20% of that is automatically moved now to the donation account. We'll see that in a moment. And I don't assume that I get a full set now, but we will see what this is all about. So now I get a message that I successfully minted my animals and that 1.4 near are moved or are donated to Ukrainian zoos. So these are the animals. And as you see, these animals are different kind of animals. So you have a fox and a tiger and stuff, and they have different colors. To win in this game, to cash out on your animals, you need a set of 5 different animals in one color, or one animal in 5 different colors. So right now I don't have any set. If I go to the payout, this automatically tries to find sets in my NFTs, so I don't have to do that manually. But you see, I don't have anything. But if we go back to the dashboard, we will see that the amount donated increased, as well as the game treasury, and with that, the next payout amount. So I continue to mint some animals. So you might ask, why 7 animals as a maximum? So what I created was in the games contract, I made some kind of batch command, which calls the mint functionality of the NFT contract. And I can do that roughly 7 times until I hit the limit of how many gas I can attach to this call. So the gas is restricted, and therefore I can mint only so much animals. So I think I need to do it a few more times. Last time I needed to mint, I think 35 animals, so it might take a while until we find a set. So the basic idea is with this game, we create an incentive because you can mint 7 animals and you can get lucky that you have a complete set with these 7 animals or with 5 animals. And in this case, you will be able to cash out more than you put in. So you have a small percentage, a small chance that you can get your money back or even get more money back than you put in. And additionally, you donated to the Ukrainian zoos. So you are doing good, and all the while you're playing a kind of fun game. So right now I don't have any idea if I have a complete set, so I will go simply to the payout tab. Unfortunately I still don't have any set, so we'll continue to mint. So hopefully this won't take too long. So this whole app was designed with cross-contract calls. And this is because the normal NFT contract, where you use the near contract standards, will always pay back the amount of near that is not needed for the storage. So it's impossible, basically, with an NFT contract to keep the amount of near that you paid for the NFT, because it's paid out, it's paid back to the caller when it is not needed for the storage. So in order for me to keep this money somehow, I needed to make a second contract, the game contract, which then calls the NFT contract. The NFT contract gives then back the money to the game contract and not to the user, which I am here and minting stuff. So hopefully now I'm finished. And with this second contract with major cross-contract call to the NFT contract, I'm now able to keep the money inside the game contract. That's why I used cross-contract calls. And we are really unlucky because we now have 35 animals and still not a single set of animals. So, well, yeah, I think if this is a real game, we would need to add a few more colors or animals or something like wild cards, like rainbow animals, or like if you're familiar with Pokemon, a Ditto kind of animal, which is any kind of animal. Because right now you need to mint quite a lot and you will lose a lot of money when you do that. But still, well, it is what it is. It's a hackathon, so we hack. So let's hope. Oh, come on, please. Not my day today. So if this doesn't work, I will switch to another account where I know that I have a set. So right now, we started with roughly 200 near, so we paid like 50 near right now for minting animals. Well, fortunately, it's not my money. Fortunately, it's just some play money here. Otherwise, I would be kind of devastated right now. So, let's hope. We now have quite a lot of animals. Yeah, there are our sets. Okay, so here you see your sets. We have one in pink, where we have each animal type in pink, and our foxes we have collected in all colors. So right now I can choose which set I want to pay out. So I can say I want to pay out this. And this again we call a function in my game contract. And this is the most complex kind of function I have written so far. So it makes like, I think, 4 cross-contract calls back and forth to the NFT contract in order to verify that this is a set and to pay out the amount that needed to be paid out. And additionally, these NFTs now are invalidated. So I got 26 near roughly back. So almost half of what I've put in. So it's I wasn't very lucky here, and I have not a single set again to pay out again or to cash out again. That's because probably I had only one pink fox, and the pink fox is now gone. Well, whatever. So now we see we donated quite a huge amount. The next person that has a complete set will get 13 near. So to play this game, you can basically mint your set and then wait for the treasury to grow and grow and grow when other people are minting, and then you can come in and try to be the first to cash out quite a bit. So let's go to another one where I know I have a set left. Here I was a bit more lucky. I had to mint 35 NFTs and had 2 full sets. So, oh no, not my collection. Let's go payout. So I still have some bunnies left. And now I can simply say payout without minting anything. And again, I will get the amount which is contained in the treasury. So here I got like I think the first time I paid out, I got like 7 near, now 13 near, so 20 near, and I paid 35 near. So, well, I still lost a lot of it. Okay, so that's basically the game. All NFTs that I used for the set, you see, I don't have any set left. Let's go to this one. Will be invalidated. So I didn't find a way to burn them, but I found a way to invalidate them. And this is an invalidated NFT. It got a used image, and the metadata for it also says used. This is why in my collection you won't see any used, because the app here will filter out all the used ones. Okay, that's about it for this app. Thank you all for tuning in, and have fun playing around with it. Goodbye.